First, we have the retail profit. Second, we have the rebate. Third is the override. Fourth is the leadership bonus. Fifth is the profit sharing. Six is business builder. Seven is travel incentive. Eight is the President's Award. And nine is a Pioneer Incentive Program. Ano yan? Let me give you one by one. First, retail profit. What is retail profit? As I say, when you become a member of DLC, you buy product automatically discounted by 5 to 30%. Meaning you're going to buy product at distributor price, but sell the product at retail price. Yung discount na 5 to 30%, eventually, yun na rin ang iyong retail profit. And for your information, all the customer of DLC, they are all entitled to 30 days money-back guarantee. Meaning, you buy any product from DLC, within 30 days time, kung hindi mo gustuhan yung produkto, pwede mo ibalik. Even the shampoo, kalahati lang yung naman mo, you still can return it kung ayaw mo. Basta as long as it's within 30 days. So, what happened if you return the product? As a distributor, I will give you the full refund on the product. Then, I will take the product, yung kalahati na lang yung shampoo, and go to my office, and I exchange it for a new shampoo. I give it to my next customer. Okay ba sa inyo? Okay, now, question. Bakit ako nagbigay ng 30 days money-back guarantee sa mga produkto? Two reasons. Number one, because I'm very confident with my products. Kung hindi ako confident sa produkto ko at binibigay ko kayo ng 30 days money-back guarantee, anong tawag yan? Suicide. Di ba? But because I'm very confident with my product, that's why I'm not afraid to give you the 30 days money-back guarantee. And let me show you. This is the product return rate for the past few years. Okay? Literally, ay napakababa. Okay, ang produkto. Then, second reason why I give you the 30 days money-back guarantee. Because I encourage all my distributor to start look for customer. Through the years, so many people try to join network marketing company or networking company, wishing that sana yayaman na sila. But at the end of the day, they all fail. What happened? They become so frustrated. Ano bang may problema? Ang sistema may problema ba? Actually, hindi. Mali lang ang pagkagawa. Network marketing is composed of network and marketing. May wholesale side, may retail side. Okay, it should be 50% and 50%. But through the years, many people, they try to do a shortcut or they go to too extreme. You see, puro retail sila, benta ng benta, ayaw mag-network. So what happened? Put yung sapatos nila, ang kinikita is still bariya. On the other hand, say some people naman, ayaw naman nila magbenta. Network sila ng network. Power! Grabe! Grabe! Power! Hanggang ganun lang. Tapos ayaw magbenta. What happened? Still, nothing happened in their life. Okay? Network marketing is about network and marketing. The only reason that you have to build a network is to market the product. Remove the marketing from the wholesale, from the network, you are nothing. But if you only do the marketing without a network, you're still not growing. Okay, so it's a balance of 50 and 50, wholesale and retail. Okay, and when you go to the network system, let me show you. This is our marketing plan. We call the elevator plan. Bakit elevator? Many people, when you talk about network system, ang nasa isip nila, I need to build 80, 100, even more than 100 people. But actually, in DL system, hindi kailangan. Elevator plan, meaning you just start when you're taking an elevator, the maximum capacity of the elevator normally is only 15 to 20 people. Meaning 15 to 20 people na pwede kang sumagay sa elevator, isang pintutan ng boom! Nandun ka na sa taas. Okay? So, how does it work? Let me show you. Lahat ng product natin, we have the point system called the PV system. PV stands for point value. So each point value, each product, may equivalent sila ng PV. And more or less, it is 20 pesos per PV. We are on a weekly system, meaning every week ang cut-off and every week din ang income. Thursday is the start of the week and Wednesday is the last day of the week. And Monday is the money day. So every Monday, your bonuses will be deposited directly to your bank or you can come to the office and get your check. Now, we are on a weekly system or a group sales, meaning with a group sales of 250 PV, one PV is 20 pesos, is around 5,000 pesos sales. Kung may 5,000 sales, na meron ng 5 tao, ting 1,000 lang yan, then you get the 250 PV. Okay? And the company will give you 3% rebate on the 250 PV sales. And when your sales go to 500 PV, your rebate will also increase to 6%. Now, this level is what we call no reversion. Meaning, one time, 250 PV, you maintain the 3% for life. Bumaba ang sales mo to 200 to 100 PV man, you still get a 3% rebate. When you go to the 500 PV, you get the 6%. This is also for life. Bumaba ang sales mo to 400 or 200 PV, you still get the 6% rebate. Okay? And when you go up your sales, your rebate is also getting bigger. 1,000 PV will give you 9% on rebate. 1,005 will be 12%, and 2,000 PV will be 15%. This is the highest goal everybody have to go. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, 2,000 PV, I only need 20 people. If you have 20 people who everybody give me 100 PV, kaibigan, you already achieved the 2,000 PV. It's very simple. 100 PV, I'm only talking about a 2,000 pesos sales. Kasama na doon yung kape na ininom nyo, kasama na doon yung sabon na ginagamit nyo. Okay? Now, when you go up, when you do more than anybody, you do 3,000 PV, I'll give you additional 3%. You become a super 18%. But as I say, ang pinaka-important na goal is the 2,000, not the 3,000. This is an extra bonus binibigay sa distributor. Next question. People, the pinaka-concern sa lahat is the maintenance. How much is the maintenance? How much is the quota? Now, let me give you. The quota, the maintenance of DLC required is only 5 PV. 5 PV, it is a person na given quota. How much is 5 PV? 5 PV times 20, I'm only talking about 100 pesos per week na maintenance. Ano tawag dyan? Maintenance o ba tawag dyan? Now, bakit ang liit ng 5 PV? Because we understand network marketing. Today in the market, there are many people, they require a very high quota or high maintenance. Ang ibig sabihin pag mataas ang maintenance? Sa kanang gamay binigay yung pera sa'yo, sa kaliwa, actually binawi nila. So many people, they fail in the network marketing system is because hindi nila kaya yung maintenance. Every month, wala silang ginagawa kundi hinahabol yung quota. Every month, binibili yung quota, binibili yung maintenance. 5,000, 8,000, 10,000. Until one day, you find out that lahat ng pera niya sa bangko, bababa ng bababa. Pero yung produkto sa bahay naman, pataas ng pataas. Tama ko, hindi. Okay, and that is the reason why so many people, at the end of the day, sabi niya, ayaw ko lang mag-maintain. Kasi hindi sulit. Yung binibili ko ng produkto, compared to chicken na tinatanggap ko, mas malaki pa binibili ko. And they stop. And that is the most reason why so many people, they fail in the system of network marketing. DLC only required to do 5 PV. The 5 PV not even designed for distributor. Because the 5 PV actually designed for a computer. Without the 5 PV, your computer will not recognize kung ikaw ba'y active o hindi. So the 5 PV is to tell the computer that, hey, I'm here, active ako. Kasi kung walang 5 PV, ang income mo will be compressed all the way to your upline. That is a reason bakit we require a 5 PV. If just 5 PV, you're going to earn the next income called the override bonus.